Hello everyone, my name is Jumana Al-Jammal. Welcome to English with JJ from the Education Corner. This lesson is about future perfect continuous. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to form future perfect continuous and when to use future perfect continuous. So let's start. Future perfect continuous. Affirmative.
What about the club membership?
I will have been attending the club 3 months by August.
I will have been attending is a future event. Here, I focus on the duration of an action. Future perfect continuous. Affirmative. Sentence 1. I will have been attending the club 3 months by August. Will is a modal verb. Have, verb to have. Been is past participle. Attending, verb ing. How do we form the future perfect continuous? Affirmative. You need subject plus will have plus been plus verb ing. I will have been working 3 years by July. You will have been working 3 years by July. He will have been working 3 years by July. She will have been working 3 years by July. They will have been working 3 years by July. We will have been working 3 years by July. It's time to do exercise 1. You can find exercise 1 in the description below this video. Future perfect continuous. Negative.
What about the club membership?
I won't have been attending the club 3 months by August.
Future perfect continuous. Negative. Sentence 1. I won't have been attending the club 3 months by August. Won't is will plus not. Have, verb to have. Been, past participle verb 3. Attending is verb ing. How do we form the future perfect continuous? Negative. You need subject plus will not have been plus verb ing. I will not have been working 3 years by July, or I won't have been working 3 years by July. You will not have been working 3 years by July, or you won't have been working 3 years by July. He will not have been working 3 years by July. She will not have been working 3 years by July, or he won't have been working 3 years by July, or she won't have been working 3 years by July. They will not have been working 3 years by July, or they won't have been working 3 years by July. We will not have been working 3 years by July, or we won't have been working 3 years by July. It's time to do exercise 2. You can find it in the description below this video. Future perfect continuous. Question.
Will you have been attending the club 3 months by August?
Yes, I will.
Future perfect continuous. Question. Sentence 1. Will you have been attending the club 3 months by August? Will is a modal verb. You is the subject. Have, verb to have. Been is past participle verb 3. Attending is verb ing. How do we form the future perfect continuous? Question. You need will plus subject plus have been plus verb ing. So, we'll move will to the beginning of a sentence and write the subject in a small letter. Don't forget to add the question mark in the end. Will I have been working 3 years by July? Will you have been working 3 years by July? Will he have been working 3 years by July? Will she have been working 3 years by July? Will they have been working 3 years by July? Will we have been working 3 years by July? It's time to do exercise 3. You can find it in the description below this video. Future Perfect Continuous. The use. We use the future perfect continuous to show the duration of an action in the future. Example: I will have been working for 24 hours by 3 p.m. The focus is on the duration, 24 hours. The action of working is in the future, so it's a future perfect continuous. This is the end. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more material. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.